420 Things Grow in Ontario. Hey guys, so as you know, I'm on a down cycle right now of the tents. I'm rebuilding some things and want to put some good air stones in that, good amount of air stones in that hydro tank that I'm building, that hydro setup. So I don't know if you've seen it before, but I've got this, what is it, a 6-port air pump I got off of Amazon. Videosun or Videohome. I'll put the link. I can't remember which one. Or no, maybe this one's Pawfly. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description for the air pump and both of these air stones. So these air stones right here come in a pack of 2 for 18 or 19 bucks. Some of them are 22 bucks. I went with the $18.99 version. I think it's Pawfly. There's Videosun too. And then there's these ones that come in a pack of 6. And these are also $18.99. So 2 for $18.99, 6 for $18.99. And you know, I did this just as a goof, right? I'm like, I'll try them and see, and you know, and see how it looks. Well, I had 2 buckets, couldn't really tell the difference. I put 2 stones, 2 of the smaller stones in one bucket, and it seemed to fill up the bucket pretty well. I put 2 stones in this bucket of the bigger ones, it seemed to fill up that bucket really well. So I'm like, man, how am I gonna check this out? So what I decided to do was I went and got one of my kids' trays from their toys, and it's clear. So I filled it with water. See if I get a good view here from down below. So there's the big one, and to me it looks like the bubbles are finer. There may be a little bit more bubbles, but finer bubbles. Okay? Then when you look over to the small one, and the small one, bring this light over here, see if that helps on this side to showcase this one. There's maybe not as many bubbles, but they're bigger. So is it putting more air into the water? It's hard to tell. So then I go, okay, well, it's the reason why I wanted to do it in there is because, like, from the top, look at, like, let me get this light out of here, and let's see the distance from this side of the where the air, like, this is just air, like, coming up in the middle of the circle. There's about this much air displacement, right? See? From finger to finger, it's about that way. Now let me just bring this over here, and man, it's almost the same size. Like I'm saying, from the top view, it's really hard to tell if one's better than the other. I'm hard pressed to know. What do you guys think? Can you tell the difference right away? Is it worth $18 for 2 of these? You know, and then, I mean, I was going to do 5 of them in my setup, 4 in the main bucket, 1 in the reservoir. But this one I could throw all 6 in, so 2 extra in the reservoir, so an extra 1 in the reservoir. Is that 1 extra going to cover the 5 that I have of these? I'm almost thinking that it might. Let me get another view from down here. But can I get both of them in the same shot here with decent light? No, I think I gotta go. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, let me get this one a little bit closer to here. Yeah, what do you guys think in the comment? Which one do you think is putting more air in the water? Maybe that one is. Maybe that view looks like it, but like I said, these ones are finer bubbles. These ones are bigger bubbles. Oh, does it look better? Oh, look at that. Then more come out if it's on the bottom because they're not coming off the bottom. Oh, I didn't even try that. Let's look at that. I don't know how I would get it to sit perfectly flat on the bottom of my tray. In the bottom of the reservoir, I wouldn't. So let's be honest. Unless I got some suction cups and some weird thing to hold it down there, that's how it's gonna sit in my reservoir. So yeah, I'm light over here to make it fair. See, when it looks over here, you got the light on it. It almost looks like a lot more bubbles there. A little bit less here than it doesn't have the light. So the light's kind of misleading, I think. So let's get it out of there. And just look at it, the light that's in the bathroom. Man, I'm still not sold on which one's better. Look at that. Let me zoom in here if you can see through the bucket. Like, it's definitely bigger bubbles on either side of that little puck. And these ones, finer, smaller bubbles. Alright guys, let's see what you think. Put in the comments, which one do you think is better, the small one or the big one? Keep in mind cost, and you know, I will, for sure it'll be 4 of these big ones in the main tote and 1 in the reservoir, and then I could put 4 of these in the tote and 2 in the reservoir, so I could get an extra 1 on the air pump that I have. 6 of these, 4 of those, 5 of those, 5 of those, 6 of these. Cost of these 6 would be $18.99, and the cost of these would be $18.99 times 2.5, right? Because I need 2.5 packages. They come in packs of 2. I'm looking at that and I'm thinking, it's got to be this one. Anyways, I'll let you guys go on that, and tell me what you think in the comments, and yeah, let's go from there. Both, like I said, all 3 of these items will be in the description with the links over to Amazon where I got them from. $18.99 is not bad, I guess, but which one? Which one? It's the question of the hour. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. Keep coming back. Gonna be doing more videos with the new grows. See you soon.